The Japanese particle ni can also express the location in which an entity exists. It is usually used in tandem with verbs that express existence, such as いる for animate entities and ある for inanimate entities. Let's see some example sentences. おじいちゃんは刑務所にいる。おじいちゃんは刑務所にいる。Grandpa is in jail. In this sentence, the particle に follows the noun 刑務所 jail. Since the subject おじいちゃん grandpa is a living being, に is used in conjunction with the verb いる. Here's another example. おばあちゃんの遺体が冷凍庫の中にある。おばあちゃんの遺体が冷凍庫の中にある。Grandma's corpse is in the freezer. In this sentence, に follows the noun phrase 冷凍庫の中 the inside of the freezer. The verb ある is used in this case because the subject おばあちゃんの遺体 grandma's corpse is no longer alive. あなたの左肩の上に顔が見える。あなたの左肩の上に顔が見える。I see a face above your left shoulder. In this sentence, に follows the noun phrase あなたの左肩の上 above your left shoulder. The verb, however, is neither いる nor ある. Instead, we have 見える can be seen. In this way, the particle に can be combined with verbs other than いる and ある to show the location of an entity. A final example. 声だめにお兄ちゃんのお化けが出た。声だめにお兄ちゃんのお化けが出た。The ghost of my brother appeared in the cesspit. In this sentence, the noun 声だめ cesspit precedes the particle に indicating the location of the apparition. The verb 出る means to appear in this context. This is the end of this episode. See you next time.